Welcome back. এতিয়া আমি last 4টা টিপৰ বিষয়ে কথা পাতিম. I hope the last few videos are really helping you out. I made a playlist, so তুমি যদি ভাবা যে it's helpful, share this playlist with anyone from Assam. Share it among your class groups with juniors and Assamor students ok agbari jabole help kora. Also, you can subscribe to stay updated with my new videos. So let's start. Tip number 7, general hacks, Google search hacks. Google search engine search kora bahut way ase and hacks ase, so you can use the search engine to search exactly what you want. So mor ki hol eta project asilo and sare ekhon paper kotha discuss kori asle, but I couldn't follow the title, so sare paper khon tolle goi asil and I quickly took a screenshot of the content that was being displayed. So mor sa title to nasle, but paper khon ki likha asle olop cover random page ekhonor photo asile. So moi jodi bisarbo lage je ei paper khon actually hoy ki, so এইখন তুমি দেখিছা যে লাইনটো লিখা আছে ইয়াতে যে understanding the surface deformation and slip rates during this earthquakes and their partitioning into seismic and aseismic components. So a line to lower paper khon naam to kenike uliabo pari. So you can, if you search like directly into Google, say tumi enike type korla understanding the surface deformation and slip rates during this earthquake, so yate like paper khon eko name nahe, tomar random website di thake jot kiba kibi ahe. But if you exactly use quotations here, so jodi tumi quotations add kori dia ei duta like whole string tor majot, so quotation add korile tomak like exact result dekhai dia jot exactly a word to likha ase, a line to likha ase. So yate likha ase understanding the surface deformation and tumi dekhla je paper khonor naam ulai gol. So surface deformation and influence of hydrological mass over Himalaya. So this is a paper that I was talking about and referencing about, and moi teneke compile golu. And this quotation, use of quotation can be used everywhere. So say tomar kiba lage exactly hetu word lage. Let's say tomar exam choli ase and you are preparing for your exam and you have lot of questions which are important questions and you don't know the answer to the questions. Also tomar jeniba professor egal assignment dise where this assignment questions like you don't know where to find the answer, but you know these are important questions. So teneka question jodi answer uliabo hoy but kun ba tumi jodi bujibo hoy kunkhon bookor pora dise tetia you can use the quotation to like find the book where from where these questions are being framed. So my example lo seniba a question to select the incorrect statement regarding alkenes. In alkenes the carbons are connected by pi bonds and tenka options dise. So if you need to if you have this questions and you need to find the answer, so what you need to do is that select this particular question, then double quotation of it, you just put it here and to me exactly a question to quote dise pai jaba. So if you go through this particular websites you will find the questions and answers. So yate jodi swa website to ma khulu eta jonto click korsilu, so here is the like questions. So to me compare koisa para this is the same question and to me ate answer to pai jaba. Another tip, say tomar kiba search koribo ase lecture series, so say you want to learn about thermodynamics and tomar bhal lectures lage. So if you want to learn thermodynamics in a very short period of time and you don't have that much time to learn from NPTEL, so to me jodi thermodynamics like yate Google search kora, you will see that there are a lot of websites here, but tomak thermodynamics lecture lage janiba. So thermodynamics lecture jodi swa, you will find the links of MIT, NPTEL. So NPTEL lecture jeniba nalage, you can exclude that from NPTEL. So tumi jodi etia search kora, like you won't find any lectures from NPTEL. So tumi jodi minus something likha from this particular first string of characters, so you will exclude all the things that this particular word will be there in the website. So tumi jodi yate kiba beleg eta likhi dia jeniba MIT, so you will exclude all the information from MIT. So NPTEL lecture gita ahi gol, but MIT OCW lecture gita gusi gol. Say tomak lectures lage but only from MIT OCW, so tumi like etu include kor pare site mit.edu. Jodi site mit.edu likha, then you will get only the results from MIT OCW. So gutei results gutei kisa MIT edu ocw.mit.edu. So teneke you can refine your like search parameters. So তুমি site লিখি colonত যোনটো website পৰা লাগে হেতু লিখিব পাৰা তোমাৰ যদি কিবা বহুত specific item নহলে type of file search কৰিব লাগে say you need to make a presentation and you need similar presentations already done so তোমাক ppt নহলে pptx file format লাগে নহলে maybe you are compiling data about something and you want to find if there's already data being compiled and an excel sheet is available নাইবা তোমাৰ যদি book লাগে say pdf so if you find to like so তোমাৰ যদি bookখন লাগে introduction to algorithms so Introduction to Algorithms is a very nice book. So Introduction to Algorithms book khan lage. So eta dekhise Amazon pa kinibo pari Wikipedia t likha ase Amazon Flipkart but say agor search parameter to tumi monot rakhiba je anything you search you may always find something in GitHub so like type in GitHub here so tumi jodi GitHub likhi dia eta dekhise solutions topic so yate kunbai illegally upload kori thoi dibo pare karon GitHub is open to all and people upload here so book khon already pai gola pdf but tumak jodi lage say you want to find only like specifically jodi GitHub odo nopa so tumi search koribo pare yate as a file type pdf so file type pdf dekhla je gute jundu search result dise sob pdf enake jiman search result dibo sob pdf so you will find any document related to a particular topic if you put in file type so yat jodi tumi pptx kor dia that is PowerPoint presentation so yata tumi ppt kunbai a topic to port banaise so tunaka ppt related pai jaba sob so these are very important search hacks so use koriba so আমি এতিয়া ডিসকাস কৰিম how to download videos from YouTube or if you wish to download a playlist how to do it so let's say এটা চেনেলত তোমাৰ ভিডিও ভাল লাগে an example is a 3 blue 1 brown or channel to lom and it's a very good channel for mathematics and computer science and yate তোমাৰ যদি let's say you wish to download this video so open it in a new tab and yate you saba je video to start hoise so just pause it and yate link ot jaba je when you see this particular link go to like this place and write ss just after www dot and before you write ss and hit enter tetia dekhiba je save from net ot a video to download ko pari so you just download it here aro ta way ase to download this particular video so jodi tumi youtube ot joa youtube or pisot aro .com or agot jodi 1s likhi dia just after youtube and before .com 1s likhi dia and click enter hit enter eta dekhiba je this particular video can be downloaded in 1080p and 480p and whatever you need even like audio jodi mp3 m4a lage so yate dekhiba aorta column ase like playlist boli but this is not a playlist video but tumak jodi kunba playlist lage say let's go to this playlist column so yate tumar jinba kunba ta playlist bhal lage any playlist in YouTube kam koribo so let's say like selected lectures in computational this let's say you want to download this particular playlist so playlist or link to loba just copy it then paste this particular link here and click download so yate dekhiba je you get all this video and individually download ko par like eta ke tipi dile download hoy jabo but you also see that there's this particular link eto copy kori এটা সফটওয়্যার ভৰাব লাগিব সো সফটওয়্যাৰটো নোট ডাউন কৰি লোৱা ইটস ফ্ৰী ডাউনলোড মেনেজাৰ and free download manager তুমি like download কৰি ল'ব লাগিব you just go here and download this particular free download manager এটা পাই যাবা and when you like install it and you open free download manager এনেকৈ দেখাব so ইয়াত গৈ if you go here paste URL from clipboard ইয়াতে যদি like code save কৰিব লাগে save to download যদি ইয়াতে like downloads save কৰিব লাগে and create a subfolder যেনিবা তোমাৰ হে downloads ৰ ভিতৰত নতুন folder এটা বনাব লাগে যেনিবা 3 blue 1 brown 1 brown and গোটেইটা ভিডিও ডাউনলোড কৰিব লাগে প্লেলিষ্ট তুমি সিলেক্ট কৰিব পাৰা কোন কিটা ভিডিও লাগে না লাগে and if you download it this will start downloading all the videos. So more speed it like 2.9 to 6 mbps di ase, 5.7 mbps download hoy ase. So saita video jodi bhal quality 1080p download korbo hoy, it's downloading right now 81 MB, 86 to 86. So মই downloads ত গলো and দেখিলো যে there's a new folder called 3 blue 1 brown and গোটেইটা video download হৈ গল. এটা extra note, let's say you want to connect with a particular research scientist at Google DeepMind or any particular scientist you wish to connect with, always try to add a personal note to edit when you try to connect it. There's an option to add a note, and yet as a personal note like it as a professor or researcher, I met you at this particular conference, or I really like your work, then অলপ relate কৰিবলৈ easy হয় and it is easier to connect and accept the request, because তেওঁলোকে বহুত random request পায় and it is not very wise to send requests without adding any personal note if you don't know them. Fourth number point is to scan all your documents and keep them in Google Drive. Kita ki lagi jay ekো গম নোপোৱা, you can access every important document from your mobile itself if you keep it in Google Drive. So tomar jiman important mark sheet ase, jiman important document ase, scan in very good quality, say 600 dpi, and keep it in Google Drive. You know, another tip, let's say tomar URL to ase, yate dekhise je more URL to very short, linkedin.com in amar ase kya keteba ki hoy bahut random numbers lagi thake pisot. So tomar LinkedIn URL to saba maybe at abcd 1 2 3 4 5 6 tanaki kya lagi thake, and hey LinkedIn URL to doesn't looks very good and professional, so it will up trim korile bhal hoy. And how do you do it is like go to here, edit, then edit this button. Yate tumi dekhiba je you can change this profile URL. So if tumar namor logot egal numbers ase random, please change it and make it short, look very professional. Aru please add an ad blocker in Google Chrome browser, odorkari ads and spams and virus pora basiba. So how to do it is Google search ad block in Google Chrome. So if you search it here, yate dekhiba je ad block ase. So ad block more already logwa ase, so please yate tomak jodi thake add it to Chrome, add kori loba, tetia tomar pop up bo ahin thake jotor pra, and it saves you a lot of space and mental peace diye bahut. So let's talk about some Windows hacks. So tomar Windows sniping tool boli tool ta ase, SNIPPING, sniping tool. So it is jodi najana, like you can use it to take pictures in your screen. Let's say you want to take a screenshot of a particular area, not the entire screen. For the entire screen you can of course take click the print screen key in your keyboard, but if you wish to take a particular area you can use this particular sniping tool. So sniping tool to on kori new kodle you can like drag and drop, say you only want to take this particular picture, so you can like drag and drop here and you can save it as any document you want. Now let us learn about some Windows shortcut keys. So first task could be to like bring out the task manager, so that would be like CTRL, shift and escape. So the three buttons are in the left side of your keyboard. The next shortcut would be like to take the screenshot, so Windows and print screen. The next shortcut would be to close something. So tumi jodi kiba browser tab eta khulto ase nalba kiba window khulto ase, how to close it is Control W. So if you type CTRL plus W, it will close a particular tab. So if you wish to close them, and if you want to reopen a particular tab that you have just closed it, it's Control Shift and T. You can also close a particular window using Control W. So CTRL plus W will close it. Also, like if you wish to open the Windows Explorer, so it is Windows E, so it will open up the Windows Explorer immediately. So it is very useful and handy. You can also open this secret Windows panel by holding Windows X, so it opens up this particular panel and you can go to this particular shortcut. So run, search, file explorer jabo para, task manager directly khulibo para, PowerShell khulibo para as an admin as well, then disk management system, power options, mobility center and apps and features. So good important shortcut. Another handy shortcut is to use like if you have lot of tabs open here, so Control tab tiple, it's very handy to go through different tabs, right? So tumi enake tipi thakile like you can change through this particular tabs. So tumar egal jodi tab khula ase, you can go through them. I would also like to recommend 10 YouTube channels that will be really helpful, of course from CS perspective, that I will be talking about. So first channel would be like 3 blue 1 brown, amazing maths and CS content, mostly maths, and yet a bhal visualization and very critical understanding dhuneke bujwa hai. Sendex is Python god, so like you will learn a lot from this channel. 2 minutes paper, you see new updates about AI and what's happening around the world with new research. So tomar jodi ketaba hackathon thake, you can get ideas from this channel. So your videos sale you will get a lot of ideas how to implement new research into your project. Then StatQuest, so tomar jodi machine learning hikibo hoy, this channel teaches you a lot from the scratch and very easily, in a very easy manner. So hikibole bahut bhal hoy. Then Stanford Online not gute Stanford courses are made as playlist, so CS221, CS229, so tumi yate bhalke sao para. Then free code camp to like sub courses se hikai, so this is a very good channel. So tomar jiman CS course hikibo thake yate free te hikiboi para, so bhal courses both 3 hours long, 4 hours long, so bhalke sob bujwa hoy. VPS Space is a rocket channel, so tomar jodi rocket hikibo hoy yate hikibo para. It's a very nice channel, and yate tumi like channel teaser to sao para, a VPS Space channel teaser, and it's very amazing. Nije rocket banai ase. Then Traversy Media like it's about web development, so tomar jodi full stack web developer banibo mon ase yate bahut content paba which will really help you in beleg projects ase, so hikibole bahut bhal. Live Overflow, jodi tumi security jabo hoy, Live Overflow is an amazing channel, so tomar jodi security jabo hoy, it's worth to watch. Then Luke Smith, mostly Linux and security upor kaam kore, so it's a very good channel to look into. Then DEF CON conferences are the top-notch conferences for security, so DEF CON or like talks are very good. Then Lex Friedman podcasts. So Lex Friedman podcasts are very good, and you can view them. Different researchers and amazing scientists talk here and share their views. So these podcasts are amazing. Then Aristo 2 and Aristo 1. So like these are competitive programming tutorials. So tumi yate bhalke hikibo para. This is Aristo 2 and this is Aristo 1. So yato bhalke video ase. Then William Lin is from MIT, and yato both competitive programming or videos sake, so it will help you out. Then C++ with Jason Turner is an amazing channel, so yate bahut in depth, bahut bhalke C++ bujwa hai, so it's a very good channel. 8 number, teamwork. Help each other grow and build a circle where you are passionate about something. Complete each other. Join team hackathons such as Hashcode, join competitions, and you can also meet amazing people, amazing scientists. So this is Lindau Nobel Laureate meetings, and you get to meet Nobel laureates who won Nobel Prize for different fields. And there's a program called Young Scientist Award and Young Scientist Program in Lindau Nobel Laureate meetings, and you can apply for this program, and this is applicable for like undergraduate, masters and PhD students. So this is an amazing program, and if you get selected you get to meet Nobel laureates. Google anything, any error you find, always Google it, and you can also add Stack Overflow at the end of the line. So like if you have this particular error, type object is not a function in JavaScript, if you add Stack Overflow to the end of it, so you will find a lot of solutions here in Stack Overflow. So Stack Overflow already answered correct error, so you will find the answers here. So this is a very wise option while coding. You always add Stack Overflow at the end of the error. 9 number, digital tool and media skills. So আমি বেলেগ 10টা digital tool উপর focus করি. First let's check out GitHub Student Developer Pack. So GitHub Student Developer Pack যদি search করা, you will see that this is GitHub Student Developer Pack, and ইয়াতে get your pack কৰিলে পাই যাবা, but তাতে তাৰ আগতে GitHubত এটা account খুলি ল'বা। তেতিয়া কি হয়, GitHub Student Developer Pack ৰ লগত free 1 year pro tier of Canva, Azure, Microsoft Azure, এটা domain for 1 year, তাৰপিছত এইটো like cloud hosting free, so এগাল digital tools free পোৱা। তেনেকে তুমি নিজৰ ৱেবছাইটৰ .com domain .me .tech domain সেইবোৰ পোৱা। এইবোৰ ভাল ৱেবছাইট আছে য'ত মানে like 6 months free access পোৱা গোটেই কোৰ্ছবোৰত। Hero Code 1 free, Hobby Dino পোৱা, then Unity গেম ডেভেলপমেণ্ট যদি শিকিব থাকে তেনেকৈ বহুত এক্সেছ পোৱা চ' GitHub ষ্টুডেণ্ট ডেভেলপাৰ পেকত বহুত কোম্পানীয়ে বহুত বস্তু ফ্ৰীত দি আছে চ' লাইক ইটছ ভেৰি ৱাইজ টু ইউজ ইয়ৰ ষ্টুডেণ্ট আইডি কাৰ্ড দিলে তুমি লাইক এই এক্সেছবোৰ পাবা এণ্ড ষ্টুডেণ্ট ডেভেলপাৰ পেক লোৱাটো বহুত ভাল চ' ইফ ইউ হেভ দিছ ষ্টুডেণ্ট ডেভেলপাৰ পেক ইউ কেন অলছ' এপ্লাই ফৰ লাইক GitHub ষ্টুডেণ্ট এক্সপাৰ্ট চ' GitHub ষ্টুডেণ্ট কেম্পাছ এক্সপাৰ্ট এনেকুৱাবোৰ আছে লিডাৰশ্বিপ প্ৰগ্ৰাম হয় চ' দেৰ আৰ ডিফাৰেণ্ট অপৰচুনিটিজ উইথ দিছ পাৰ্টিকুলাৰ ডিজিটেল টুল চ' আই হোপ ইউ এপ্লাই ফৰ ইট নেক্সট লেটছ টক এবাউট গুগল শ্বীটছ Docs and slides. So ইয়াতে দেখিব যে Google Docs, Sheets and Slides আছে. So traditional Microsoft Office or Excel, Word or PowerPoint use কৰাতকে online Google Sheets, Word or PowerPoint presentation use কৰিব পাৰা. Similarly, যদি Python code কাবাক দেখাব হয়, like if you want to write Python code online, there's called Google Collab. So Google Collab যদি টাইপ কৰা, you can open the Google Collabs and Google Collabত new file কৰি পিনি তুমি যাব পাৰা. So let's say I am opening one file that I already created. So দেখিছা যে এই কোডটো আছে কোডটোৰ লগালগ আউটপুটটো আছে so it works like a notebook and এই নোটবুকখন তুমি শ্বেয়াৰো কৰিব পাৰা similarly like তোমাৰ যদি 10টা মানুহে একেটা প্ৰজেক্টত কাম কৰি আছা so you can give the right access to people so they can code as well আৰু কাবাক যদি দেখাব হয় you also have the output of the code here so তুমি ইয়াতে কিবা এটা কোড লিখিলা তাৰপিছত এটো ৰান কৰিলা তাৰ আউটপুটটো ইয়াত আহি যাব তেনেকে like একেখন জেগাতে when you share the link as view তেতিয়া তুমি like কোডৰ লগত আউটপুটটো একেলগে দেখাব পাৰিবা কাবাক so it's very important and very handy to use Google Colab instead of sending files so তুমি ইয়াতে কোড কৰি আউটপুটবোৰ দেখাই থাকিব পাৰিবা you can also use Google Calendar for like time management so Google Calendar event add kori diba eta tomar better time management hobo we also have another like service called WeTransfer yeah so tumi WeTransfer ki hoy if you want to send some files to someone within 2 GB so tumi yate like nijor like email message and file add kori so I agree kori ইয়াতে তুমি নিজৰ ফাইল এড কৰিব পাৰা তাৰপিছত কালে ইমেইল কোনটো ইমেইললে পঠাব লাগে সো নিজৰ ফাইল এড কৰি কোনটো ইমেইললে তোমাৰ ইমেইল আৰু মেছেজ ইউ কেন ট্ৰান্সফাৰ ইট ডাইৰেক্টলি ফ্ৰী 2 GB লৈকে you can also like click this button and get transfer link so tomar jodi like kabale email pothabo mon nai just add the file here under 2 GB write a message and get a transfer link so transfer link to tumi copy kori jatala pothabo pariba and the data remains valid for like 7 days so 7 days o karone a link to valid thakbo and it's very handy to use this particular services WeTransfer project management or kisuman tools ase say tumaleke kisumane ekelage project eta kori asa and you need to track the progress of each member and also define how the project will be going on for this particular month and then next for the next month and so on so jodi like in progress done and pending jodi likhibo hoy tenaka kisuman tools ase kanban board buli koy aru duta important tool like Asana buli koy Asana and Asana is a very like important tool for like project management then outer tool ase Jira boli koy Atlassian Jira so this is a software and Jira is the project for software management professionally so most of the companies Jira use kore so moi eta tomak dekham Asana and Jira ki thake so like let's take an example of Asana so this is Asana so it like Asana ki hoy to do in progress and testing thake and also done so you can add other sub columns as well and it is very short like it is a mini version of Jira so tanike belag tomar like inbox my tasks portfolio tomak jodi task assign kore tanike my task ot ahi jabo so like add task kore tumi assign koribo para kabak so this is Asana now let's check out Jira so this is a Jira board so like yate tomar to do in progress done issues thakibo are done issues bole kabak assign ko pari so this is issues like this issue was assigned to me and I did it completed it so tanike reports issues code aru baki backlog and roadmap sab roadmap like to me enke gote project to roadmap define kora thake beleg issues thake roli 291 roli 128 roli 3 teneke so each issue is assigned to a particular person and that person is responsible for this particular task and hey task to kiman din dia thake to define kora thake so each issue without going to me like description dibo para and description without like you can create child issues say hey main issue, mother issue to complete কৰিবলৈ child issues কি লাগিব. So how do you define the tasks into mini goals? So you can define this particular goals, and hey goal to ভিতৰতো description থাকিব পাৰে, তাৰপিছত তোমাৰ attachment থাকিব পাৰে, তোমাৰ collab link থাকিব পাৰে, and outcome থাকিব পাৰে. So this is how you like use Jira. এটা project হৈ থাকিলে discuss কেনে কৰিবা. So discuss কৰিবলৈও and plan কৰিবলৈও কিছুমান tools আছে projector. So তেনেকা tools বোৰৰ নাম like say Miro. So Miro যদি search কৰা like Miro on online what and visual collaboration platform. So Miro যদি click কৰি দিয়া. So this is Miro, and মোৰ আগৰ এটা board আছে where you can like see whether the like format. So Miro দেখিবা যে this is used for project management and for tracking. So different topics থাকিব, তাতে তুমি like different participants নিজৰ sticky notes and ideas add কৰিব পাৰিব, and this is how a project goes on. Similarly with Mural. So this is Mural, and তোমাৰ like ইয়াতে দেখিবা যে like options আছে. So let me zoom out. Yeah, so দেখিছা যে like this is my like earlier project mural board. So ইয়াতে দেখিবা যে like you can add pictures, you can add sticky notes, you can add text, key colors, sticky notes লাগে, and you can plan. Also you keep the record digitally. So তোমাৰ গোটেই planning process to say তুমি কাবাক share কৰিব মন গৈছে যে this is what we planned, and you can explain on the fly. So তেনেকে তুমি like you can also invite people here, and তুমি তেনেকে invite কৰিব পাৰিবা যে how to build this particular project. So this is how project management goes on. Project planning হৈ গ'ল, project management হৈ গ'ল, now project discussion. So তুমি যদি নিজৰ project mate girlৰ লগত নহলে বা এটা গ্ৰুপৰ মাজত ডিসকাস কৰিব লাগে, mostly Discord নহলে বা Slack use কৰা হয়. So Slack আছে, Slack you can open the Slack, and if you open it, so দেখিবা where you can like add different channels, and also you can directly talk to different people. So yata channels or ভিতৰত like you can write very specific channels. So let's say তুমি এটা project কৰি আছা, তাতে electrical mechanical CS সবৰ কাম থাকে. So এটা channel লিখি দিলা electrical mechanical CS. So তাতে মানে গোটেই different participants কথা পাতি থাকিব যে আজি electrical কাম কি হ'ল, আজি mechanical কাম কি হ'ল, and you can discuss and keep record of all the files and discussion here. So একে জায়গাত থাকি যায় for your project, and it really helps to go down the এইটো ডেটত এইটো উইকত আমি এনেকা কথা পাতিছিলো, সেই লিংকটো তাতে থাকিব পাৰে. So সেই লিংকটো তাতে থাকিব, and we go and find it back there. এতিয়া আজিকালি mostly conferenceত নহলে বা কিবা gatherings-ত virtual যেতিয়া হৈ আছে, কিছুমান tools use কৰে to like make it more of a random gathering. So তেনেকা কিছুমান tools আছে, gather town বুলি কয়, gather town. So gather townত যদি যোৱা click কৰা, you will see that this is a place, and the idea is similar, that you will be a virtual character in this particular game. So তুমি যদি Jessica হয়, তুমি গৈ থাকা there will be a lot of different people, and তোমাৰ ওচৰত যদি মানুহখিনি আহি যায়, immediately like নিজে ভিডিও কল start হৈ যায়. So যদি কোনোবা এটা গুচি যায়গে তাৰপা, তাৰ ভিডিও কলটো ড্ৰপ হৈ যায়. So this is the idea of your tribe. So তুমি যদি ইয়াতে মানুহটো চাৰিটা বহি আছে, so like you see all these 3 people, then again you see this another 3 people. So সেইটো idea. And the last point is dream big and have confidence. If tumi bhaba je you will never be able to do it, you will never take the small steps, and this will not lead you to the big steps. Respect and be real, but also respect yourself. Overconfidence bad, but staying too much low-key doesn't get you anywhere. In some way, you are a product, and you need to market yourself with your skills and CV. So don't be shy, compose yourself, have the calm in you, and speak out. Do it confidently. Confidence and communication is key to many things. Communicate. This is your life, and you have to build it yourself. One life, one soul. Make it big. See you in the next video. Take care.